Welcome to the ExhibitView online demo, created especially for the visitors and subscribers to mylegal.com. What is ExhibitView? ExhibitView is software for making presentations. It's the only presentation software available that lets you 1. Organize exhibits in a tabbed library, 2. Create quick content using our slide maker, and 3. Present with unmatched flexibility. Now, you don't have to take our word for it. We recently had a write-up in the trialpresentationblog.com website by Mr. Charles Perez. He simply says, wow, you got to try this. The learning curve, this one is flat. If you can work a word processing program and know the basics of drag and drop, you're home free. Let me tell you, we agree. Let's get started. Welcome to ExhibitView's main interface. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the interface right now. Let me go ahead and clear the screen. If you look on the left here, this entire left area is really what we call our tabbed library, or your case library. The first tab is for slides. That's what I was showing you in my slideshow there at the beginning. The second one is for documents, images, audio-visual clips, and web pages that you can save using our built-in web viewer. It's easy to add items in ExhibitView. At the top of each tab, you have a little button. This one says Add Documents. I can go ahead right there. I can find some documents on my system. I can select all the ones that I'd like to bring in, say Open, and then bang, they're in ExhibitView. Now, displaying these items in ExhibitView is very simple. The center area right here is your presentation area, and it's set up to be a full screen or a split screen. Okay, let's go ahead and drag and drop a couple of items into the presentation area to see how easy that is. I'll put a police report in the left side of the screen, and I will take a picture of the injured person and I'll put him in the right side of the screen. Now let's take a look along the top of ExhibitView. Let me show you what's up top here. You've got your markup tools. This allows you to do some zooming in on some of the documents or pictures so you can see it real nice and easy. We've got a yellow highlighter tool. We've also got a text tool if you want to add text to a document or an image. We've also got a pen tool. We've got a straight line pen, and we've also got a freehand pen. In the next, if you come over one more, we've got our clear and recall section. This is where we can clear the screen by clicking this button, or I can hit the delete key. And if I click on the button below that says recall, it'll bring all those items back onto the presentation area. Next is our markup and recall. So if I click on the button that says markup, notice it makes all those markups go away. If I hit the recall button, it will bring all those markups back. Let's go ahead and clear those. And of course, we've got this projector on-off button. This is what actually turns the output. Only the items in the presentation area are sent out to the projector, so you get a nice, clean view. Okay, now we're looking at the view that the jury would see or what the audience would see. But I have the user interface in front of me, and what I can do now is I can zoom in on part of a document. I can highlight it and show you the name of the person that was involved. I can very quickly make that go away. I can hide one of the pictures, or I can hide both. I can make them come back. I can also go ahead and I can update the police report on the left with the bill of indictment. So it's a very clean look for the jury on the right side. Let me bring you back over to the user interface now. Okay, I'm going to hit the delete key and I'm going to clear my screen of all this information. Now if you look down here at the bottom, we've got some tabs. One is called Presentation Area. One is called Slide Maker. This is the environment that I use to create those quick and easy slideshows. And then I've got one called Web Viewer right here. This is really useful as well. Web Viewer lets you do a couple things. It allows you to browse the web. It allows you to browse case law research. You can do some looking up of expert witnesses, and you can save web pages as PDF files. Up here at the top, I've got a button called Save Page to Web Pages tab. If I click on that, I'll be saving that page. In just a second, you're going to see my Web Pages tab come to life, and this MSN website is now saved as a perfect PDF file. What I can do is I can show that later to a jury without any sort of internet connection, and the second thing I can do is I can use it in a slideshow. I don't need any other software. It's all built into ExhibitView. Another thing I can do with my web viewer, if you'll notice up on the right, we have another projector icon. It says Send Page to Projector. All I have to do is click that, and if I have an internet connection, I'm browsing the web live from ExhibitView. So now you've got the ability to create and present slideshows, PDF documents, images, video clips. You can jump over to the web, and you have a real arsenal of flexibility and a media-rich presentation that you can make from one simple-to-use application. We can show you how to do it in 30 minutes. Thank you for your time. I hope this tutorial has been fun and informational, and I would like to thank the people at mylegal.com for giving us the opportunity to do it. I guess I could put a little bit bigger one up there if I could find one. There we go, mylegal.com. Maybe they get bigger and bigger. Thank you all so much, and if you have any questions, click on the link. Visit our website at www.exhibitview.net. Feel free to call us, email us any questions. We're looking forward to having you as part of the ExhibitView family. Thank you.